Okay, so it's like 2023 already. The last time I did this video about Singapore mortgage bank loan tips and tricks is in 2019. So in 2019, I think at that time the interest is only about 2% lah. Today the interest is already at 4% and soon we may even see 5%. So at this point of time it's more important to know the tips and tricks. So let's go. Okay, so the first point, okay, when you get a bank loan, okay, there is two kind. Always the variable and the fixed. Variable means that it's a floating rate, means it's like SORA plus what. So in 2019, we are still using SIBOR, but now no more already. Now we're using SORA. So in 2024, if I'm not wrong, everybody will be using SORA. There's no more SIBOR. So now, as per now, I think the average is SORA plus 0.65. Fixed rates, if I'm not wrong, they are about 3% or 4% fixed depending on how many years. So these are the things that you need to understand. Floating, normally I advise 3 months or 6 months compound. I think in the market there's no 6 months compound SORA. Normally 3 months compound. But I will avoid the 1 month compound SORA because 1 month the rates jump too fast. 3 months the rates are delayed. Okay, whether you should take a fixed rate or a variable rate today, I think it really depends on your risk appetite. This video is done on the March 23rd. So if you ask me, I will tell you that I will say that it's a 50-50. Because if you take a fixed rate, you lock yourself for the next 2 years, compared to someone that take a variable rate, but the rate may go up to the next few months. But I think at the end of 2023, the rates will actually cool down. So to me, at this point, I think it's a 50-50. But if you ask me, I'm more of a calculated risk taker. So I will still go for variable rate unless the fixed rate is less than 3.5%. Okay? Next, in your loan package, there's always this thing called lock-in period. So lock-in period means at this period, you cannot sell your property. When you reprice or refinance, they will always have this lock-in period also. In this lock-in period, you are also not supposed to change bank because there's a penalty. Okay? But in a lot of good loan package, they will provide you with a repricing option. Repricing is to go back to the same bank to reapply the current loan package. So if the loan package is lower now compared to your current rate, they will always give you a free repricing. So most, I would say 100% of my clients that take loan from my bankers are always given a repricing option. If, okay guys, when people tell you to refinance, refinancing means you need to change bank. When you change bank, you need to pay legal fee. So it's never worth it, okay? So the correct way to approach for bank loan is at the start, always get a credible, better get a good bank, okay? Good bank. Okay, what is good bank? To me, I would choose the top 3 banks in Singapore. You also go and determine what is top 3 bank. If you don't know, then jialat. If not, you just engage me. I get my bankers to help you. Why? Because for now, I can see that these top 3 banks, they are more flexible. Their rates are more competitive. There is lower admin fee here, this fee, that fee. And most of my bankers from these top 3 banks all give a free repricing package. Meaning that now, let's say their rate is at 3.5%. In the future, after 1 year or 2 years, depends on the package, you can do a repricing with the bank, with the same bank. And let's say now it's 3.5%. 2 years later, 3.5%, the bank give a promo rate, 3%. I can go and change the rate to 3% at zero cost. At zero cost, guys. Free repricing is zero cost and is part of the package. So do not fall into the trap when people ask you to do refinancing. Because when you do refinancing with them, they actually earn a referral fee from the bank. I don't know if it's correct for me to be saying this, but I don't think this is a secret. But the main tip that you need to get is get from a good bank with free repricing package. Okay? So don't go and refinance and waste your legal fee to change bank. Okay, please do not kill me for this video because I really want to speak the truth to help the people that don't understand in the market. Next, you will realize that the package is always very good. The interest is always very good in the lock-in period. But after the lock-in period, the interest may go up. So if you take a bank loan, you need to monitor the rates because the rates will fluctuate and the rates will change. And you can actually do a repricing if you got a free repricing package to lower the rates. If you don't have, you can also pay an admin fee, I think 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, I'm not too sure how much, depending on the bank, to do a repricing. It's definitely cheaper than changing banks. So you must always monitor your rates once your lock-in period is over. This is very, very important. Okay, so that's it for today's video. This is the main point for bank loan that I learned throughout my years of in this industry. So I hope this helps you. Do not fall into the trap, and if you have difficulty getting, not difficulty like you have difficulty understanding which loan to get, or you're looking for a loan, you can actually look for me. I can refer you my banker, and I can also give you my true advice on what is the best way to handle a mortgage loan. Please don't go and take from bank A, then later on take from bank B, then take from bank C. All your money is wasted in the legal fee changing banks. That's it. Hit the like button, subscribe button. I see you in the next episode, and bye bye.